Alright, so in this video we're going to graph the solution of the equation 4x is greater than or equal to negative 16. How do we do this? Well, I would treat this like an equality, as if it said 4x is equal to negative 16 and solve for x. You can do the same things and balance the equation in the same way. There's one little difference when you're dealing with an inequality. If you ever find yourself multiplying both sides or dividing both sides by a negative, you have to flip the direction of the sign right here. We don't have to deal with that in this case, but I just wanted to mention that. Now, I don't recommend rewriting the equation as an equality because that you might lose track of the inequality sign here. So I would just remember that you can deal with this like you would deal with an equality. So what would I do first? Well, I know 4 times something is negative 16, so I'm going to use inverse operations. I'm going to do divide here on both sides by 4. Instead of originally I was multiplying, now I'm dividing. So 4 times something divided by 4, well, those 4's cancel out to 1. And then negative 16 divided by 4 is negative 4, and we get our answer. X is greater than or equal to negative 4. Of course, we want to graph this, though. Remember, what we're doing is we're graphing x values, right? And this says that x values are greater than or equal to negative 4. So if we set up our number line here, right, here is negative 4. In the right, if we go to the right, that's the positive direction. If we go to the left, that's the negative direction. So x has to be numbers that are greater than or equal to negative 4. So I draw in a circle above the negative 4 that indicates my starting point. I fill that circle in because x can equal negative 4. If this just said x is greater than negative 4, I would leave the circle open. And then I draw an arrow to the right because my x values include all numbers that are greater than negative 4, like negative 3, negative 2, and so forth. Alright, hope that helped.